The main learning objective for this module is to introduce the new features available in Avigilon Control Center 4.8. New features include custom view layouts, instant replay, POS transaction display, broadcasting audio, and new features for bookmarks including multi-camera bookmark and bookmark search. The Avigilon Control Center client is divided into 5 different areas that will be referenced throughout Avigilon University training modules: the menu bar, the toolbar, the System Explorer, the timeline, and the workspace. The first new feature is custom view layouts. The 10 default view layouts are still available, but you can now customize the layouts to fit your surveillance needs. In the toolbar, the view layout buttons are now available in a drop-down list. To customize a view layout, select Edit Layout. In the Edit Layouts dialog box, select the layout you want to change. Enter the number of columns and rows you need in your layout. To make certain image panels larger, select a gray line to delete the border between 2 image panels. The red highlight shows you which line will be deleted. Be aware that you can only make rectangular image panels. To restore an image panel, select a dotted line to divide a large image panel into smaller image panels. The green highlight shows you which line would be added. Click OK to save your changes. The new layout is now listed with the other view layouts. When you monitor live video, you can now use instant replay to quickly review an event that just occurred. Right-click a live image panel and select one of the instant replay options. If we select Replay 30 seconds, the image panel immediately plays back the camera's last 30 seconds of recorded video. You can then use the timeline controls to control the playback of recorded video. If you have cameras linked to point-of-sale transactions, you can now monitor live transactions as you monitor related video. Move your mouse in the image panel that is displaying live video linked to the POS transaction source. Click the Viewed POS Transaction button. If there are multiple POS transaction sources linked to the camera, you'll be asked to select a transaction source. In the next image panel, the current POS transactions are displayed. The View POS Transaction button is also available for recorded video. When you click the View POS Transaction button, the transaction that was occurring at that point in time is displayed. In the POS Transaction image panel, click the View Camera button to open the camera video in the next panel. If there are multiple cameras linked to the POS transaction source, you'll be asked to select the camera you want displayed. Another new feature you can access from an image panel is the ability to broadcast audio into a scene that you are monitoring live. To use this feature, there must be speakers connected to the camera and a microphone connected to your monitoring workstation. When you monitor live video, move your mouse in the image panel. If speakers are connected to the camera, the microphone button is displayed. Click and hold the microphone button, then speak into your microphone. Release the button to stop broadcasting. You can now create bookmarks that cover multiple cameras. When you create a bookmark, you can now select all the cameras you want in the bookmark. Cameras must be on the same server. Click the bookmark button on the timeline. When the dialog box appears, there is now a list of available cameras. Select all cameras you want linked to the bookmark and click OK. Notice how the bookmark spans across the cameras that you have selected. If you protect the bookmark, video from the cameras will be stored until protection is removed and will not be deleted. In previous versions of the Avigilon Control Center client software, you searched for bookmarks through the Event search. Now there is a dedicated bookmark search. In the Search tab, select Bookmark Search. The Bookmark Search allows you to search through the properties of all the available bookmarks. In the Search field, enter any text that may appear in the bookmark's properties, including the title, description, camera name, and the name of the user who created the bookmark. The bookmark list on the left automatically filters out the bookmarks that do not match. When you select a search result, the bookmark video is displayed in the image panel. Under the image panel are the bookmark details, and the bookmark is highlighted on the timeline. On the far right, you have the option to export the bookmark or perform a pixel search on the bookmark video. You also have the option to edit the bookmark. If you choose to edit the bookmark, the Edit Bookmark dialog box opens. Make the required changes and click OK. Thank you for your attention. You should now have a general understanding of the new features available in Avigilon Control Center 4.8.